Chain slings are popular because they're made from alloy and one of the most durable slings that you can buy. They usually have a long service life, can handle harsh environments, and they can be repaired, tested, and recertified multiple times. Chain slings are meant for overhead lifting, and at Ben-Mor we offer 2 different grades of chain for lifting, grade 80 and grade 100. The difference between grade 80 and grade 100 is that for almost the same size and physical weight, grade 100 will be stronger. Here is an example of a grade 80 3/8 sling hook and a grade 100 3/8 sling hook. You can see they're almost the exact same size. The grade 100 is rated at 8,800 pounds, while the grade 80 is only rated at 7,100 pounds. At Ben-Mor, our grade 80 components are yellow and our grade 100 components are blue. To identify the grade, the chain will be marked every 3 links with BM 100 for grade 100 and BM 80A for grade 80. It's important to know that there are many different grades of chain, like grade 70 chain that's meant for transportation, grade 40 for agriculture, and grade 30 for general utility. These grades of chain should never be used for lifting. It's important to ensure that you are using grade 80 and grade 100 for overhead lifting. Chain slings are identified by the diameter of the link. The larger the link diameter, the stronger the chain sling will be. This one here measures 3/8. Ben-Mor assembles chain slings in diameters of 9/32 up to 1 inch. Chain slings can be made in configurations of single leg, 2 leg, 3 leg, and 4 leg. Usually the top of a chain sling has a top connector called a master link or an oblong ring. With a 3 leg and a 4 leg, we use something called a subassembly. The oblong is at the top and these sub-rings come off of it to have equal legs on each side. To connect chain slings to the master link, we use a connector like this called a connecting link. The 2 most popular hook options at the bottom of the chain sling is a sling hook, which has a metal spring latch. This latch can be replaced if it gets damaged. Or we have a self-locking hook, which has a locking mechanism so the latch cannot open once it's closed. To measure a chain sling, you're going to measure bearing point to bearing point. So the inside top of the master to the inside bottom of the hook. We also make chain slings with adjustable legs on them. There will be 1 grab hook added to the chain to shorten each leg of chain. This chain sling is a 4-leg chain sling, so it has 4 grab hooks to shorten each leg. The chain of the long leg is moved up to the desired position, placed into the grab hook, like this. Every leg will be inserted into the grab hook at the exact same position for equal leg lengths. A 20-foot adjustable chain sling can be shortened to multiple lengths, like 15-foot, 10-foot, and so on. Grade 80 and grade 100 chain slings are designed for lifting and must be labeled with critical information. We call the label the sling tag. The sling tag must have the name or trademark of the manufacturer, the grade of chain, the nominal chain size, the number of legs, the rated load and angle upon which it's based, the length, and an individual serial number. A single leg chain sling will be rated on the sling tag based on a vertical 90 degrees. 2 leg, 3 leg, and 4 legs will be tagged with 3 possible ratings based on the angle when lifting. The 3 angle ratings are based at 60 degree, 45 degree, and 30 degree. The angle to measure when lifting is the top of load to sling angle. The smaller the angle, the lower the capacity available. Imagine if you're holding 2 buckets of sand at your side. Your arms are at 90 degrees. As I lift my arms, I am decreasing the angle and therefore increasing the tension or weight on my arms. It's the same effect when you decrease the angle with slings. The more tension or weight, will be on the sling. Every chain sling that we produce is proof tested after assembly and before it is shipped out the door. Chain slings must be inspected before each use. Starting with the label, checking that all the mandatory information is legible. The manufacturer name or trademark, size or diameter, a rated load for at least one hitch. Then, after the tag, you will check every link of chain, ensuring that there is no cracks, breaks, excessive wear, nicks, gouges, evidence of heat damage, pitting corrosion, weld splatter, or any other damage that might cause doubt to the sling. Please refer to our inspection guidelines on our website. Chain slings are repairable and can be returned for inspection, proof test, and recertification. To get more information on maximum temperature, chemical effect, and environmental considerations, please use the reference section on our Ben-Mor website or refer to our catalog.